Hi guys, today we have an unboxing with 4 puzzles, I think. So let's go right into it. Here are the first cube is this PO2 spinner. The second is this MS 2x2 M. The third is 1x2x3 and a GAN mat. Here it is. First, let's start with the GAN mat. Now let's see the 2x2. Okay, cool package. And here it is. It's super smooth and dry. Also, it has a good corner cutting. And it's pretty fast. Also, it's a little bit slippery, but with some salts, it's gonna be okay. I like it. Now let's take a look to the O2 cube. It's like a 1x1 that it turns in the centers, but also it's a spinner. Like, pretty cool. It turns well, I think. Let's do a quick solve. Inspection. Okay. Pretty bad. Now let's see the 1x2x3. It's very smooth. Obviously, it's super easy. You can solve it in a few moves, like this. I did some solves and I really like the puzzle because it's smooth and quite fun to solve because it's fast and you can solve it in a few moves, but also a little bit tricky to find the shortest solution. After a couple of average of 100, the 2x2 was broken in and it was smoother and softer. Also, yeah, it was no longer slippery and it was very fast and controllable. I really like it, and it's for its low price it's really good. But sometimes it corner twists a lot, but if you want a budget 2x2, I truly recommend it. Now I let you with a sub 3 average of 5. The 1x2x3 is a really fun and easy puzzle. Also, it's really high quality and cheap. If you are a collector, it's a great option to buy it. The O2 spinner, it's really cool because it's a cube and also a spinner, but it's extremely easy, so it can be a little bit boring sometimes. But also it's really interesting because it's a 1x1, but it turns. So I think it's worth it. And that's for today's video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.